Right, the stator we're going to check, I've got the spec sheet for it, so we're looking at the resistance values of the coils is 290 plus or minus 20%, so that's what we're looking for. But so we've got the information we need, so we'll go ahead and do the checks. Right, I'm going to show you some very simple checks if you can't get no spark out the spark plug. I think the easiest way to show you is with the engine on the bench, that way you're not confused with a massive wiring. All it is really, you've got your lead actually coming from the engine, and usually there's about four wires in it, and the only two we're concerned about is the two wires going to the coil. The other two are for the generator, so I shouldn't worry about them for now. So basically you've got two wires going to the coil. I think they're pretty standard colours, I'm not sure, but you've got red and black and the blue is the earth. So all we need to do is remove them. Right, so we'll put the coil to one side for a minute. Next thing to do is get your multimeter and put it on ohms, and I've set this on to 2K. And all you need to do is get the probes. It doesn't matter which way around the probes go in, any way you like, and look at the reading. And the reading on it is just, well, it's about 300. So that's basically it. You've just checked the coil, so that's working fine. The only other thing is sometimes when the engine's hot, you might have the coil breaking down. Then check the resistance reading again when the engine's hot to see if there's any difference. There is another way to do it, but it means stripping the engine down. And what it's an old trick, is remove the flywheel, take the stator off, and heat it up with an airdryer, and you'll see the resistance change. But as long as it's in about 20% of that, you're good to go. Right, another simple test of the coils is checking the AC output. It's very easy to do. Another one is very easy to do, if you're shown, of course, is your multimeter again, but put it onto AC volts, and all you've got to do is put your two probes on the same two leads that go to the coil again. Doesn't matter which way around, and normally you turn it over on the starter motor, and usually it's approximately probably might be about 40 volts if everything is working super fine. So obviously I can't show you that because I haven't got a starter motor, but I've got a pull start, so I'll give that a go and see what it reads. Right, I'm going to try and attempt to show you this so you've got a rough idea. It's for those that don't know, it just makes it simple when people can see what's actually happening. And at cranking speed, you should approximately around about 40 volts at cranking speed. But obviously this is going to vary because I've got a pull start, and but I'll give it a go anyway, so you can actually see what's happening. Well, you can see how you're getting the AC voltage out of it, so that's all you're looking for. It's a bit difficult with the pull start, but at cranking speed, approximately about 40 volts, and if you're getting that, you know it's in good nick. So you've got both tests to do, so yeah, you shouldn't be far off. Checks you've done, check out okay, and it's still not sparking, you know the problem is external from the engine. So there's just one last thing to check, and that is the two wires yet again going to the coil. You'll have from this lead is another wire attached to your kill switch, so the problem might just be in there. So to eliminate all that, the best thing to do is just get the two wires from the engine onto the coil, so you're isolating everything else, and pull it over, and if it sparks, then you know your problem is external. There you go.